Hey there, let's make a pumpkin dump cake, and we're going to use all Aldi ingredients because you know how much I love Aldi. So let's get started with shopping. We need 2 cans of pumpkin puree, a total of 30 ounces. We need 16 ounces of evaporated milk that works out to 1 1/3 cans, 1 cup of pecans, 1 box of cake mix, 1 cup of sugar, 4 eggs, 1 1/2 sticks of butter, cinnamon, ground cloves. We have a grand total of $9.63. Don't we love Aldi? All right, let's preheat our oven to 350 degrees. In a large bowl, let's get our pumpkin puree in there. Add in our evaporated milk, add in the sugar, add in our spices. Let's add in our 4 eggs. Mix that all together. I went ahead and I greased a 9x13 pan. I am pouring in the mixture. Now I am sprinkling the cake mix over the top. Adding on the pecans. I chopped mine a little bit smaller since they were the pecan halves. Now we're going to add our butter on. You could put it either in squares, sliced, or melted. I preferred melted. Baked it for an hour. Here it is, absolutely gorgeous. Wait till you see the inside. Let's get it on a plate. You can see it was still steaming away over there. Oh, look at that. The pumpkin filling is like the most delicious pumpkin pie. The cake mix, the pecans with the melted butter, pure perfection. I love dump cakes. Using the Aldi ingredients made it super economical for was a huge serving. Give me all the likes, love, comments, whatever you can. I appreciate it, and I will see you all soon.